Alright, let's draw Mario with my nice new mechanical pencil. This is a different kind of mechanical pencil than you may be used to. Alright, so this is a good one. And I mean, I like the other mechanical pencils too. This one, you can shade on the side and still the lead comes out and stuff, which is nice, actually. So I'm going to do, so Mario here, we're going to do with a circle and an oval about the same size. And then we're going to do another shape down here, also about the same size, right here. And it's a little bit, they're angled, it's not exactly a rectangle. And then we're going to do, we always work with big shapes first, because then it's like, well, if you do a lot of detail in one shape, it's really hard to move. You have to do a lot, you erase and then put all that detail again. Wouldn't be good. So we're doing big shapes. Big shapes. Get the idea what's going on here. Big shapes. So this first arms are gonna go. His hand. Right? It's gonna go here. This hand's gonna have it up, presenting something maybe, or maybe grabbing something. Alright? And now, the face. So, I'm going to start with an oval, takes up half the face, and I'm going to do the nose at an angle. It's more interesting than just flat on. Which means the eye on this side is going to be over the nose, and this one's going to be kind of beside the nose, because it's closer. Eyebrows, ear, it's going to be low and roundish, right? That's just how Mario is. Okay. And then he's got the iconic mustache, and I noticed there's 6 bumps under there. 2, 3. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And that's his mustache, and this is his mouth, and his hat is like this, and his face kind of comes up like that, and then the brim of his hat, he's got hair on the hair, and his hat comes up at the same height as his nose to the brim here. His hat comes up and around, right? Looking pretty good. And he's got the buttons right here. And this kind of slides this way. And same with the pocket here. I think it looks more like a pocket when it curves like this. And then he doesn't have a belt, but he's got this divider on his overalls. So, that. He's got a curved belly like that. He's got cuffs. Let's make this more like a hand by putting little marks here and a little thumb here. And this also, you can do some lines for the fingers. The thumb. And this also has a cuff. Right, it's looking pretty good, right? Put in his legs. And here. And then we can put in his iconic M, which is higher on the sides than in the middle. And we can show you some of this shading here. With this nice pencil. And you can erase the construction lines, add a little more detail if you want, add some shading down here even. And there you have it. There's Mario. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.